This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use navigation on your Garmin 1040. To begin, power on your device by holding the power button for 3 seconds. Once the device is on, swipe down from the top of the screen to access the control panel or tap the menu icon from the home screen. From there, select the navigation option to view your primary navigation choices. This initial step is crucial for setting up any ride, whether you're following a pre-planned route or exploring new paths. You'll find options like courses and saved locations here. Next, let's get a route onto your Garmin 1040. You can create a new course directly on the device by selecting Course Creator from the navigation menu, allowing you to draw a path on the map. Alternatively, for more detailed planning, use Garmin Connect on your computer or phone to design a route and then wirelessly sync it to your device. Once synced, navigate to Courses and select your desired route. This prepares your device for a guided journey, ensuring you stay on track. During your ride, your Garmin 1040 provides clear on-screen guidance. The map displays your current position, the route ahead, and upcoming turns with large, easy-to-read arrows and distance countdowns. If you veer off course, the device will alert you and offer to recalculate your route, typically within 5 to 10 seconds. You can also customize data fields to show essential information like speed, distance, and elevation alongside your map. This ensures you have all the necessary details at a glance for a smooth ride. Finally, let's explore some advanced navigation features. The Garmin 1040 offers Climb Pro, which automatically detects upcoming climbs on your loaded course and provides detailed gradient and distance information, helping you manage your effort. You can also save your current location or any point of interest directly from the map screen by holding down on the desired spot for 2 seconds and selecting Save Location. These features enhance your riding experience, providing valuable insights and flexibility for every adventure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.